Say girl you fine, I'm tryna make you mine. I ain't tryna waste no time, hop on my ride. Got a whip parked outside, got a condo, we can go slide. Know I got pride, but I put that to the side. Think I need that on my side. Look at them thighs, look at that waist, look at them hips, look at that face. Just know that I'm a thug, I ain't going on a date.
So y'all, it's the night before. Let me just show y'all the wig real quick. This is the wig. I have it flexi right now because the little body wave texture, it just wasn't to my liking. So I'm flexi riding it to get some curls and see y'all in the morning. So y'all, I'm out here with this wig or whatever. It's windy. Couldn't really get the lace down by my ears. I think I need to cut it more or something. But yeah, it's the next day and I could not record myself getting ready because I was rushing the whole time. Look at this damn bus, early as hell. It's 10:10. We only supposed to go to school 5 minutes early, baby. You 10 minutes early, so they probably think I'm gonna run, but I'm gonna walk. Anyways, like I was saying, the lace is lifting.
Are you recording?
Hey, you too.
Yes, I'm recording.
Okay, y'all, we in our American history
Scholars, you already
ACS.
I'm not going to
We're
argue.
gonna attempt to get an A.
You already know.
First test is next week.
What test?
That lecture notes. When we get back, baby.
Oh my god.
I could die.
He cool though.
So y'all, I'm finally home. And low-key, I'm ready to take this wig off. But I'm gonna tell y'all a little bit of the details about the wig after I finish eating. So yeah, and then I'll post a little review overall of the hair and my experience with it. But right now, I'm just gonna tell you guys how it was today. Okay, y'all, so this is the wig. As stated, it's from Beauty Forever Hair, and it came in this box or whatever. This is their 18-inch Brazilian body wave, and I did flexi ride it because I just couldn't deal with the body wave. It was just too frizzy for me. But I'm going to straighten it tonight and wear it again tomorrow and see how it holds up. So if you guys want to know in more detail if this hair is good or not, right now it's a little tangled. And it does shed mildly. But the hair is soft. It did come in nice packaging and it came very quickly. I ordered it on Friday. It was here on Monday. And yeah. Did come with baby hairs, but they're a little long, so I had to cut them. And again, this is my very first time wearing a wig, so don't come for me. I tried. But yeah, I'm gonna straighten it and I might pluck the part if I need to, because I didn't do that this time. I just threw it on. And yeah, so let me tell y'all, when I went into the classroom for one of my classes, my teacher was like, "Who are you?" I was like, I was just here yesterday. How do you not know me? But yeah, so apparently not a lot of people recognize me. My friend even asked who I was. Literally, she didn't know who I was. And yeah, it was crazy. But people liked my hair. My fit was fire, so that was the whole point. Oh, I like it to the side like this. If you guys want to see the in-detail review, then stay tuned and subscribe if you haven't. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.